based off of your income at a guideline amount of $810 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount, sir?
Yes, sir. Oh, wait. You say that one more time?
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
Go ahead, Mr. Tatum.
Yes, Your Honor. The state would also request that the court take note that a copy of the petition has been sent to the non-custodial parent in this matter, and the parties are in agreement to proceed with the order at this time.
Okay, they have an agreement.
They have a partial agreement. It's one issue that we do need to take a testimony on, Your Honor, which is going to be the issue relating to child support. The state will request a reading to the record at this time what has been agreed to by the parties.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. The parties agree that there's been no issues relating to family violence. There's no request for non-disclosure. The parties are modifying the prior order that was signed on January the 3rd, 2020. The parties agreed to be named as joint managing conservators. The custodial parent to reside with the child in Dallas and the surrounding counties. The father to have a standard possession order. The parties agree for the father to be established as the non-custodial parent to be established as the father for the child Genesis Harrison, born November 24th, 2021, and Jeremiah Harrison, born May 31st, 2023. And the state has used the father's gross income of $3,196.96 for the calculation of support today, giving credit for one additional child outside of this case. The parties agree to setting government medical at $230 beginning on January the 1st, 2026. There's been no request for retroactive support for the two children that are being added to this matter today. The parties agree for the father to pay the court costs associated with today's hearing. So at this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the mother here in this matter. Ma'am, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Orlandria Johnson.
And Ms. Johnson, did you hear what I read into the record as it relates to this matter?
Yes.
Other than the issue of child support, are you in agreement with all terms that were previously provided to the court?
Yes.
Are you requesting that the court accepts those agreements and make them part of the order today?
Yes.
Do you find these agreements to be in your children's best interest?
Yes.
And as it relates to the issue of child support, the state has used the father's income and calculated support with a guideline amount of $810 per month. However, you are not in agreement with this. Is that correct?
That is correct.
You're requesting that child support remain the same as from the prior order at $300. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And do you understand that in the prior order, the order did not address the additional two children here in this matter, and they also deviated from the guideline amount in that prior order, being that the father had more possession time with the children. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Is there any specific reason why you're requesting today to deviate from the guideline amount of $810 down to $300?
Yes. Mr. Harrison still, I mean, it's not the same as before because he was keeping them while I was working, but he still does have, we don't go by the time frames of every other week. He gets them during the week.
So just to confirm, you're stating that you're requesting to deviate from guideline, being that the father has extended possession times with the children. Is that correct?
Yes, and he does help outside of child support as well. Whenever I need something for them, he does help.
Do you have any additional information you'd like to offer to the court as it relates to this matter of child support?
No.
All right. Nothing further from this party, Your Honor. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call Mr. Harrison. Mr. Harrison, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Ronnie Harrison.
And Mr. Harrison, did you hear what I read into the record that was agreed to by the parties?
Yes, sir.
And are you still currently in agreement with those terms only, sir?
Yes, sir.
And are you requesting that the court accepts those agreements and make them part of the order today?
Yes, sir.
And as it relates to the child support, sir, the state has to use your reported income in requesting that child support be set based off of your income at a guideline amount of $810 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount, sir?
Yes, sir. Oh, wait. You say that one more time?
Are you in agreement to the state's request that child support be set at $810 as per the guideline amount?
Do I agree with that? I mean, nah.
What are you requesting that child support be set at, sir?
The At 300, it's the same as we discussed.
And sir, do you understand that in the prior order, that order did not address the additional two children that are currently being added to this case today?
Yes.
And sir, do you find that setting child support at a amount lower than the guideline amount of $810 would be in your children's best interest?
Yeah.
Can you explain to the court how receiving less than, I'm sorry, could you explain to the court how receiving $300 as compared to the $810 would be in your children's best interest?
Because I do for them more. I'm not gonna say more than that, but I do for them quite a bit more than it's. I do for them quite a bit more than it's that it says on paper.
So just to confirm, you have the ability to pay the $810 per month, is that correct?
Nah, I ain't saying nah. I mean, no, I ain't, no, nah.
So you believe that you can't make that payment of $810, is that correct?
Realistically, yes.
But you're stating to the court today that you do more than that. So how are you able to do more, but you can't make the $810 payment?
As far as in more, I mean, as far as in time, as far as other than money, as far as time, as far as communication, as far as connection with the kids, I feel like I do more in that aspect than the money aspect.
So you're stating that you do more for the children for everything other than the issue of the financial, is that correct?
Yeah.
All right. Nothing further from this party, Your Honor.
All right, the part that y'all all agreed to, those are fine. I'll go ahead and let y'all do the child support at $300 a month based on the extended possession. And that'll be the order of the court. The Attorney General's office gonna put that in writing, email you a copy, and that'll be the order. Thank you. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you.